What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In the last video, we unpackaged my new Wingman holster, but also mentioned that I needed to get an optic and a weapon mounted light. I'm still on the fence on what optic to run, but we have decided on the light. The no-brainer options are the X300 and the TLR-1. I'm into tech, cameras, and gear, so naturally I wanted to see what was out there that's new and not as common. Doing my research, I came across the mod light and the TLR-7 HL-X. The mod light retails at $329, and the HL-X you can find online for about $156. So that when my bank account is set up, let's unbox the TLR-7 HL-X. Here we have your standard STREAMLIGHT packaging that comes on just about every light they offer. You have your USB Type A to Type C charging cable. You get the SLB9 rechargeable battery. You have your Type C charging port and the LED indicator. You got your instruction manual and the QR code to register your light. You know me, I'm always going to show you the sticker. Here you have the multi-tool and the low profile paddles. The light comes with 6 rail keys. There's 5 here and 1 in the light. To swap out your rail keys is super simple. You're going to unscrew the rail clamp bolt. Removing the bolt, now the movable side of the key can just come off. Once you found your key, you'll do the same steps in reverse, making sure that you don't forget to install your spring. Don't tighten it down all the way, it just makes it easier to install onto your firearm. On the lamp, you have the weather sealing O-ring. You're going to install your battery with the positive towards the paddles. To enable the safe mode, you're going to turn the face cap counterclockwise a quarter turn. To operate, press and hold for momentary, 1 click for continuous, and a double tap for strobe. To activate the strobe, you got to press the paddle 10 times. Here, I don't know what I was really doing. I was just showing you all the angles. Here's the difference between the high tail switch, which is installed on the light, and the low tail switch, which is on the right. I feel like they should have gave us a brick, but when you go to charge your battery, you're going to get this red LED. Once the battery is fully charged, the LED is going to turn green. Here I'm just showing you how it looks on the Bull Armor EDC Pro. If you really want a flush look, you can do this. If it's all the way back against the trigger guard, you get this look. How would you mount it? Flush or all the way against the trigger guard? This is just a side-by-side comparison with the TLR-8 G Sub, which is the one with the laser, and the TLR-7 HL-X. I mean, it's not even a fair comparison. The TLR-8 Sub is a 500 lumen light, and the TLR-7 HL-X is a 1000 lumen light. That's 2 out of 3. Now I gotta make a decision on what optic. I'm leaning either towards the SRO or the Acro P2. Drop it in the comments what you would choose. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.